What's up, guys? Real Trader is back with another video, and we will have a look at the charts today as yesterday's trade and another trade for today is developing, and both of them are actually playing out right now, or more like yesterday's trade played out yesterday and today's trade will play out today. Let's hop right into the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. Um, Yesterday's candle was this price action, these three, four candles. And I wanted to add on to the analysis, which I forgot to mention, that yesterday, adding to the six, I can draw the fib again. We've been on daily support yesterday. We've been on the 6.5 Fibonacci retracement level, and we created this nice bullish divergence. Also, we created a hidden bullish divergence. What you call is when you have this low right here, which connects to this low on the RSI or this low on the momentum wave, and you make a higher low, which was created right here. As you can see, like this. I don't know, white. But the momentum is coming lower, so we got more juice to make a continuation move. That happened, and we can reflect on yesterday's trade as it played out, but it played out in a nasty way, actually, I gotta say. Yesterday, I said in the video that when I made the video, we've been doing this double bottom. We took out this low right here, and I said three scenarios. Okay, the most bullish one, we break out, retest, and pump, or we come back down, create a lower low into the 6.5, and come up from there. And we actually did that. So we came back to the 6.5 and we consolidated for a pretty long time. And I actually didn't really expect this, or I didn't really like that, because I thought there was so much juice in the move because we were diverging, and continuously diverging. So the trade was just getting more solid and more solid. And as you can see, I was in this trade yesterday, so I went in and took profits over here. Yeah, right around that area. We can zoom in more. But the problem was I actually was a bit greedy beforehand and was going into a too large of a position before we got there and got a bit shaky. So my profit of yesterday was actually not that high I wanted it to be. But you can't win them all, right? I mean, I can only learn of this situation to be more patient and to not go into too large of a position until there are the confirmations, because the confirmations were basically there when we made this lower low, consolidated, broke this trend line, and retested this trend line as support. There you had your confirmation. So to go in detail, actually, like, the entry would be right here at this moment when we broke this little. We can go into the 1 minute. Wait. Yeah, when we broke that trend line, came back to retest it, and then we broke this trend line, came back to retest it, and this retest, and after this 1 minute bullish candle, it's perfect. This is like perfect trading, perfect TA, and that would be a perfect entry. And whoa, why is it lagging? Okay. I hope it doesn't kill my recording because my trading views are lagging right now. What's going on? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. We gotta work with the lagging trading view now. Sucks, but it's okay. So that was your perfect entry. I was long from right here, took profit around in that area. I took profit right there. Actually, there was more juice until the trend line and the fib. I should have taken profits over there. Small mistake, but as I was seeing that on the 1 minute, Market Cipher, as you can see, was diverging, and the RSI was diverging on the 1 minute. I decided to just say fuck it and take profits over here. As you can see that we've been diverging on the 1 minute, and I didn't want to risk like that. This is the local top, and we go back to retest. So I wanted to take profits there, and we came back to the fib as always. Of course, it is the fib and the trend line, so I gotta trust more in these obviously. And we created another bearish divergence over there, and there was then the perfect exit actually. Um, now for today, it's such a beautiful thing actually how the chart is moving and how perfectly it stops out all the traders and after that doing its thing, I mean, we if we go back to the 4 hour chart, we came back to the trend line, got rejected of it very hardly, and came back, made a lower low, and created a beautiful bullish divergence now on the 4 hour chart. As you can see on both oscillators, you can see it on the 2 hour, beautiful everywhere. You can see it on the 1 hour. You can see it on the 30 minute, and on the 30 minute it's actually more beautiful because you can see that the money flow is also diverging, as we made a lower low and a higher low on the money flow. Beautiful, beautiful. And 15 minute is, it's just like showing you the way, when you look at it. Beautiful curvature, and now coming up into the green. Yeah. That is some beautiful stuff. So as that happened, but like I was again asleep as that happened, and I woke up when this retrace to the golden fib level happened right here, and I'm long from. Um, Let me see. I think, yeah, right around that, right around here. I'm long from here. Placed a looser stop loss because I was still busy, but now I can focus on the charts. And this trade right now, I mean, I can take partial profits at the trend line again, of course, for security, for risk management, and I will do that probably. But I really think that it is that Bitcoin could be able to pump through this trend line, and I think the probability is actually higher that it does that because we got this beautiful bullish divergence on the 4 hour chart, which is very strong, combined with the hidden bullish divergence. So it is a continuation pattern on the oscillators. We've been holding the 6.5 Fibonacci retracement level of this whole range. It is daily support, and we got a 4 hour bullish divergence combined with a hidden bullish divergence. So this is some top level stuff. Plus, all the lower time frames are pointing towards it as well. So it's kind of beautiful. Um, I would have been more happier if I was awake earlier and could have produced this video earlier. So uh, I would have made the video before this move. Um, but yeah, so now it's a plan to. I'm in like I'm in like within a 50% risk position, maybe a bit more right now. I would be very happy actually if we come back to. Um, Now I can actually delete these lines. Um, yeah, if it comes back to, I don't know which level, we will see. I can draw a fib again. Um, yeah, this lines up. kind of nice. I mean, if we come back to some supports and I can buy in further because I would love to do that. Because this is a very, very nice setup. I mean, I already told you all the things that line up. So this is the trade setups where you want to go big in, you know, where's the big juice. So we will see. Um, maybe go long on the moving average plus this support right here. Go long on the fib retracement. Yeah, I will add on to the position for sure. And let's talk about targets. Targets. Yeah, let's talk about targets. It is still the Fibonacci retracement level of, let's make it clearer, of this swing high to that swing low right here. I told you in the first video that I'm watching that because it also lines up with the trend line I drew. I can show you that trend line. It goes back to here. As you can see, support, 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 resistance, 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 support, resistance, resistance, so many times. So it is a significant trend line, and that lines up with that Fibonacci retracement level from right here to here. So it is a very nice profit target. Yeah, to take profits over there. You have a very, very nice risk-reward ratio. Yeah, I don't know. I have my stop on another exchange right now at 40,500. So even with that, it is right now for me a risk reward of 3.7. But if we make a higher low, let's say for example we retrace one more time, find a nice support here, and make an obvious high low, I will move my stop to that low and add to the position so the risk reward ratio gets even nicer and bigger, 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 and you know, like 10 hour move. So this is some beautiful stuff that is developing on the charts right now. And yeah, I wanted to share that with you. I hope that was quality content for you again. If you think so, then leave a subscribe, please, leave a like, and share the video. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, let's see if we nail another one, right?